Hey Jade, I have to ask you our question.
What is it, Portia Gibbons?
Why are we in a Ursynów?
Good question, Portia Gibbons. We are here to see my sister Chloe performing her acrobatics.
Jade, can I please use the bathroom? Because the acrobatic performance does not start yet.
Okay, please be back and remember, do not pull the fire alarm, or else you're in big trouble.
Okay, I will. Wow, what's this? A fire alarm? You know what? Forget rules. I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Okay, time to run.
Man, why that?
Portia Gibbons. How dare you pull the fire alarm at Ursynów? Now look what have you done to my sister Chloe during her performance. You made my sister cry. That's it. I'm calling Richard Gibbons right now.
But at art.
Portia Gibbons, you've got to be kidding me. How dare you pull the fire alarm at Ursynów and close acrobatic play? That's big. You are grounded for 16532 months. Go to bed right now.
Oh my god, I just wanted to... Portia!